Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start now by unlocking the phone and making sure battery isn't critically low. This prevents interruptions. Open Settings, then type Wallpaper in the search bar or tap Display Right Arrow Wallpaper. Once there, select the mode you want to change, choose lock screen only or both home and lock screens. You do this because the phone separates backgrounds. Choosing the right target avoids overriding your home wallpaper. Proceed when you see the current wallpaper preview and options to select images. Now pick where your new lock screen image comes from: Gallery, Samsung Wallpapers, or Files. You tap the image you want and use the crop and zoom handles to fit it to the lock screen frame. Make sure essential content isn't behind the clock or widgets. Use rotate and alignment tools for landscape or portrait corrections, and optionally enable motion or blur to improve readability. Once the composition looks right, tap Next or Set so the phone prepares the image for application. Finish by tapping Set as lock screen. Confirm any prompts about home versus lock. You should immediately lock the phone and check how the lock screen looks with the clock and notifications visible. If elements overlap or text is unreadable, reopen Wallpaper and recrop or toggle blur. If the new image doesn't apply, restart the phone, then clear the Wallpaper or Home app cache in Settings Right Arrow apps. This fixes most stuck wallpaper updates and forces the system to reload your chosen image.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.